She's taking off now. Take me out in the right main river channel. She has. Dadgummit. Alright. Oh, there she is. Whoa, good God. Look at that fucking tail. Holy mother of something. Come on. Look at that. Oh my God, it's a flathead. Holy shit, that's a giant flathead, dude. That's a fucking 80-pound flat. Tell you what, if I got this sucker in, that would be, I wonder if this is a fucking record. I don't know, I'm not gonna find out. This sucker's just taking me down the river. Crap. Oh God, holy Jesus. Look at the size of this thing. Oh my God. I gotta pause.